Today we'll be starting with a new YouTube short series, and this series will be dedicated to resume reviews. The idea behind publicly reviewing resumes is that we usually make the same kind of mistakes in our resume, so the pointers will be helpful for everyone. And obviously, I'll hide out all the personal info on the resume while reviewing it. A disclaimer that I'm not one of the self proclaimed resume experts, but I have taken a lot of interviews, so I'll be reviewing just based on my experience. I subconsciously followed a pattern while reviewing the candidate resume, so I'll follow the same pattern now as well. Also, one important info, usually companies that receive a large number of resumes have automated systems in place that are responsible for stage 1 filtering. These are usually part of something known as ATS or applicant tracking system. Now, the issue with these is that they might not be able to read some complex elements on the resume. So, if your resume is made in Word, then good enough. But the ones made on platforms like Overleaf, there may be such elements. So, you would not want the system to read only half of the resume or infer wrong context. So, do make sure ATS reads your resume as you want it to be read, and for this, you can use free online ATS resume checkers. There are plenty available. So just make sure you do that. Also, if you want your resume to be reviewed in this series, you can fill a Google form and the link will be provided in the description below. So that is pretty much what I wanted to share. I hope you find this series helpful.